Hello, everyone. In each lesson, you will listen to a simple story. Please listen carefully, enjoy the practice, and try to remember useful words and sentences. Let's begin now. Hello, my name is Tom. Today, I want to talk about my favorite food. Food is important for everyone. Food gives us energy. Food makes us strong. Food makes us happy. I like many kinds of food, but I have one favorite food. My favorite food is pizza. I really love pizza. Pizza is delicious. Pizza is tasty. Pizza is fun to eat. Pizza makes me smile. The first time I ate pizza was when I was a child. I was about 7 years old. My parents took me to a restaurant. The restaurant served pizza. I saw the big round pizza. I smelled the cheese. I smelled the bread. I smelled the sauce. It was amazing. When I took my first bite, I was so happy. The cheese was soft. The bread was warm. The tomato sauce was sweet. The toppings were tasty. From that day, I loved pizza. Pizza is made with dough. Pizza is made with sauce. Pizza is made with cheese. Pizza can have many toppings. Some people put vegetables. Some people put meat. Some people put seafood. Some people put fruit. My favorite pizza has cheese and mushrooms. I also like pizza with chicken. Sometimes I eat pizza with vegetables. Sometimes I eat pizza with sausage. Sometimes I eat pizza with pineapple. I do not eat pizza every day. I eat pizza on weekends. I eat pizza on special days. I eat pizza with friends. I eat pizza with family. Pizza is food to share. Pizza is food to enjoy together. When I eat pizza with friends, we laugh. We talk. We share slices. We drink juice. We feel happy. When I eat pizza with family, we sit at the table. We cut the pizza. We give each other pieces. We say thank you. We enjoy the food. We enjoy the moment. Sometimes I order pizza from a shop. I call the shop. I choose the pizza. I wait for delivery. The pizza comes hot. The pizza comes fast. It smells so good. Sometimes I make pizza at home. It is not easy, but it is fun. I mix the flour. I make the dough. I roll the dough. I add sauce. I add cheese. I add toppings. I put it in the oven. I wait. I smell the pizza baking. It makes me excited. When the pizza is ready, I cut it. I eat it hot. Homemade pizza tastes special because I made it myself. Pizza is also international. People eat pizza in many countries. There are Italian pizzas. There are American pizzas. There are Japanese pizzas. There are Vietnamese pizzas. Every country makes pizza in a different way. Every country adds something new. Pizza is not only food. It is also memory. It reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of my family. It reminds me of happy times. When I travel, I sometimes eat pizza in other countries. It tastes a little different, but it always feels like home. I think food connects people. Food brings people together. Food makes people happy. My favorite food? Pizza does all of that. Of course, I also eat other food. I eat rice. I eat noodles. I eat soup. I eat bread. But pizza is still my favorite. Some people say pizza is not healthy. Yes, pizza can be heavy. Pizza has cheese. Pizza has oil. But if you eat pizza sometimes, it is okay. If you eat pizza with vegetables, it is better. I think balance is important. That is why I do not eat pizza every day. I eat fruits. I eat vegetables. I drink water. I exercise. Then, when I eat pizza, I enjoy it more. My best memory with pizza is my birthday. One year, my friends surprised me. They brought a big pizza. It was bigger than the table. We all ate together. We laughed. We sang. It was the best birthday. Another memory is cooking pizza with my mother. We made the dough together. We cut vegetables. We added cheese. We waited. Then we ate together. It was delicious. It was special. So pizza is not just food. Pizza is love. Pizza is memory. Pizza is family. Pizza is friendship. That is my story. That is my favorite food. My name is Tom. And I love pizza very much. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful words and sentences. See you in the next lesson.